Hello, viewers. Hope you all are doing well. Good morning from a beautiful and popular hill station, Ooty. Utkamandalam is the old name for Ooty, also the name of the railway station of a popular town located in the Nilgiri Hills. We are going to travel to Coonoor, which is 19 kilometers away from Ooty and approximately takes 1 hour and 15 minutes through the toy train. The Ooty Coonoor train ride is a popular part of the Nilgiri Mountain Railway, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This narrow gauge railway connects Ooty and Coonoor, both of which are very scenic hill stations of Tamil Nadu, India. We booked our journey for the earliest one, that is, which leaves at 9:15 a.m. from Ooty. We recommend doing the same as it helps you to do the train journey as well as reach Coonoor in the early hours so that you get to explore the Coonoor town as well. Coonoor actually has many famous spots like Dolphin Nose, Tea Gardens, Lamb's Rock Viewpoint, etc. So it's better to reach here as early as possible as it gets crowded with the time passing and the approach roads are very narrow.
Hogwarts Express.
After consuming such biscuits and soft drinks, your luggage bags will be stolen by criminals once you become unconscious.
We had booked the cab from Ooty itself. So the driver picked us up at the hotel, dropped us at the railway station and directly met us in Coonoor once we reached through the toy train there. From there, he took us sightseeing to the pre-decided places. We booked the cab through our hotel and the price seemed reasonable. The Ooty toy train, officially known as the Nilgiri Mountain Railway, has been chugging along since 1908. Built by the British during colonial times, the railway was originally designed to transport goods like tea and timber from the hills. But what was once a vital route for trade, today offers one of the India's most scenic train journeys. Riding the toy train isn't just about enjoying the views, it's an experience shaped by the genius of Victorian era engineering. This train travels over 46 kilometers of track, rising from Mettupalayam at 330 meters to Ooty at 2040 meters. The track itself features several unique twists, including 16 tunnels, 250 sharp curves, and countless bridges.
Loved it.
It's a journey where engineering and nature blend seamlessly. In 2005, the Nilgiri Mountain Railway was recognized by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. It's one of just 3 remaining hill railways in India, offering a glimpse into a bygone era of rail travel. The charm of this 100-year-old train ride is a major draw for tourists from all around the world. Planning a trip, it's best to book your tickets well in advance, especially during the peak tourist seasons like summer or long holidays and Christmas. The toy train operates year-round, but the months from March to June and September to November offer the clearest views and the best weather. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or simply someone who appreciates the magic of trains, the Ooty toy train is a must-do experience. It's a ride that takes you back in time, all while treating you to the natural beauty of the India's Nilgiri Hills. If you're new to 90 seconds and like our content, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that like button and share it across with your friends and family.
This Coonoor railway station.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.
Counter.
Stay tuned for other Ooty videos and other places.
A little.